Welcome to the demo of DocShuttle Client Transcription Software by ByteScribe. This demo will provide a brief overview of the DocShuttle transcription process. DocShuttle Client software is used by transcriptionists to download voice files from an FTP site, transcribe documents into Microsoft Word or other word processors, and then upload completed documents back to the FTP site. In order to connect to an FTP site, we will need to check our configuration settings. We will select Tools, Settings from the DocShuttle Client menu. When the Settings window appears, verify the host address, username, and password for the FTP site. You will need to check with the system administrator if you do not know these settings. Also, you will need to set the user's job type and user's 4-digit ID. If you will be encrypting files, click the Encrypt Attachments checkbox and enter the encryption password. Again, check with the system administrator for these settings. Now we are ready to connect. We will click the OK button to save the settings. In order to connect to the FTP site, we will click the Connect button in the top left corner of the DocShuttle Client window. Upon connecting to the FTP site, we will see files appear in the top pane of the DocShuttle window. Files with green flags indicate new voice files that are ready to be transcribed. Files in the top pane of the DocShuttle window are files that are stored on the FTP site. Files that appear in the lower pane are files that are stored on the local computer. In order to transcribe a voice file, we must first download the voice file to our local computer where we may listen to the voice file. In order to transfer the file to the local computer, we can drag and drop the files from the top pane into the bottom pane, or we can use the down arrows in the toolbar. After dragging the voice file to the lower pane, we will verify that we wish to transfer the file by selecting the Yes button. Once the file has successfully transferred to the local computer, it will appear in the lower pane of the DocShuttle Client window. Now we are ready to transcribe the voice file. If you will be using Microsoft Word as the word processor, you can simply double-click the voice file to begin transcribing. If you will not be using Microsoft Word, or if you will be attaching multiple external documents, you can click the Attachments button and drag and drop any number of documents from Windows Explorer into the Attachments window. In this example, we will be using Microsoft Word. We will double-click on the voice file in the lower pane. If the ByteScribe Wave Player is installed on the computer, the Wave Player will automatically appear so that we may listen to the voice file. ByteScribe Wave Player allows us to control the play, pause, rewind, and fast-forward functions with the foot pedal. We will move the Wave Player out of the way or minimize it. The Create New Word Document window also appears. This window has fields for patient information that will automatically be inserted into our Word document. We will fill out any fields that are dictated in the voice file, and then we will select the OK button. Upon clicking the OK button, a new Word document will automatically be created from a customizable template. Any information we entered will be inserted into the new document. Once the Word document appears, we can begin typing. We will press the foot pedal to play the dictation, and we will transcribe the report. When the transcribed document is complete, we will save the Word document by clicking the Save button in Word and then exit out of Microsoft Word. After we have closed Word, we return to the DocShuttle Client window. We see that the status of the voice file has changed, and we see that a document icon appears indicating there is an attachment. Notice also that the status of the corresponding voice file on the FTP site has also been updated. DocShuttle automatically updates all files so that the administrator is aware of the status of every file. Now that the dictation has been transcribed, we will upload the completed document back to the FTP site. To upload the file back to the FTP site, simply drag and drop the file from the lower pane to the upper pane, or use the up arrows in the toolbar. We will confirm that we wish to upload the completed document by selecting the Yes button. Once the document has been uploaded to the FTP site, the transcription process for this one file is complete. The completed voice file is marked with a red flag and is labeled with an Uploaded status. Once the document has been uploaded, it is accessible by the administrator or facility for printing or review. The same procedure will be used to transcribe the other dictation files. Now that we have shown the typical transcription process, we will show how to create and modify Microsoft Word templates within DocShuttle Client software. To access the templates, select Tools, Settings from the DocShuttle Client menu. The Settings window will appear. In the Settings window, select the Templates tab. In the Templates window, you can create, modify, and delete templates. You can also create new templates by importing any standard Word document that has a .doc extension. In this example, we will modify an existing template. We will modify the Discharge Summary template. To modify a template, double-click the entry or highlight the entry and click the Edit button. The template appears in Microsoft Word. Notice there are fields that appear in the header portion of the document. We may customize the template by making changes to the document, as we would with any standard Word document. In this example, we will move the position of one of the fields. To modify text in the header, we simply double-click the header portion so that we may make changes. In this example, there are two miscellaneous fields. We will move the position of one of these fields and add a new label. We will copy the miscellaneous field on the right side and paste it to the left side. Now that we have moved the miscellaneous field to the left side, we will add a new label just by typing text before the field. Now that we have completed our changes, we can click off of the header to exit the header portion of the document. To save the changes to the template, click the Save button in Microsoft Word. Now we can exit out of Word by clicking the X in the top right corner. This will return us back to the DocShuttle Client Templates window. Templates can be shared with other transcriptionists using DocShuttle. To share a template, click the Upload button in the Templates window. This will upload a copy of the template to the FTP site. Other transcriptionists can then use the Download button to receive a copy of the template. When clicking the Upload button, we are prompted to verify that we wish to upload the template. We will click the Yes button. After the template has been uploaded, we are notified that the transfer was complete. we click the OK button. At the bottom of the Templates window, there is a button to set one of the templates as the default template. The list of templates will appear each time a new document is created, as shown earlier in this demo. When creating a new document, a list of physicians and accounts also appears in the Create New Document window. We will look at how the physicians list and accounts list can be created and modified. To view the physicians list, we click the Physicians tab. Here we see that we can create, edit, and delete physicians from the list using the buttons in the center of the window. To view the accounts list, click the Accounts tab. The Accounts window shows a list of accounts or facilities for whom the transcriptionist will be typing. One account should be set as the default by clicking the Set Default button at the bottom. We have now covered the topic of creating and modifying templates, as well as the physicians list and accounts list. To exit the Settings window, click the OK button. This concludes our brief presentation. For more details about using DocShuttle, refer to the DocShuttle tutorial document located on our website at www.bytescribe.com/support and find the link for DocShuttle tutorial. We thank you for viewing this demo.